What's up, YouTube? So today I'm trying to show you guys how to take out your interior. Let's get to it. So one of the first things you want to do is move your seats forward so you have easier access to take out the back seats. And you bring these down, you have clearance with no issue. And then there's this little carpet right here. Lift that up. You just hold on by Velcro so you can have access to these bolts right here, or these nuts. Same thing goes on the other side. Go all the way down, raise up the Velcro, access to these nuts. Start from the bottom. Oh man, it's cold. So you grab the edges on this side, get the edges right here, reach under, and pull up pretty hard. Nothing happens to your seat, but that's just the way you have to do it to get this piece off. Like I said, pull really hard. And then feed the seat belt through there, where they snap onto. They have rear heated seats. It's on little tabs. You push down and pull out, just like that. There's this green one, push a tab, pull out. There's another one back here. There you go. Same deal. Pull the tab and then yank out. This is all ready to come out. Alright, so these are 18s. All 5 of these, they're 18, so just take these off. Since I already took off the other bolts, the nuts holding these seats up, just laying down, Velcro, the little hinges, you just lift up, just like that, hold them up, raise up, wiggle, and that's it. That's the only thing holding it to the other pieces right now. Raise up, move the seat belt out of the way. Almost forgot. There's one more. So there's a total of 6 nuts that you have to take off. Up. Get the seat belt out of the way. Get this out. Raise it up. Pull straight up. This is how big they are. Easiest way to get the seat out, now that you undid the bolts, get the headrest out of there so you won't have a struggle with the roof and the headrest. You push this in, and there's this little, almost, can't even see it, a little tab. You move that and this at the same time, and you raise this up, and it comes up, just like that. And where you're gonna move the seat, I like to move it forward, fold it in, and then tilt it back a little bit so you can have access to these connections. To remove this one, push the tab in and pull it out on this one, raise the flap up on that one, and they just come up. Now you just got to move the seat forward to have access to the seat belt screw down here. pop this little tab out and find out what size that is. I'm going to use a T45. Alright, now, so you won't forget, put the cover back on. That, move the seat back just so it could be flush with that. Yeah, now just have to remove it. Alright, and that's how it is. That's how you take everything out. So if you do this, you save yourself more than 120 pounds. And it's a really good time to vacuum this thing, because damn. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm gonna zip tie most of this stuff so it's not just hanging around. But yeah, if you found this helpful, hit a like, subscribe. I'm gonna try to put more videos out. Now I gotta go wash it, vacuum it, get it ready for later today. See you guys.